welcome to the Ballet Basics for Adults series. I'm Alessia. Today, it's a very special day. Not because it's the end of it, but because this specific part of the class is one of the most important ones. Because you will thank whoever is in front of you that taught the class, whoever has played the piano in the class and made the whole thing so magical. Are you ready? Let's work on the reverence and the stretch. Whenever you get to the end of your class, there is something very magical that happens, and it is thanking yourself and thanking the teacher and the pianist that have played for you and danced with their fingers with you, and the teacher that has given you the class. And it's called the reverence. The reverence is the little bow that you give at the end of class, just to wrap up everything that you've learned throughout that class. And there is two very specific things that have never changed, and again it comes from the court and the way you present and you thank the other person that has danced with you. And for ladies, it is the bow that you do, and as you can see, it's still used today for queens and kings and princesses and duchesses and whatever it is, yeah, in the ranking. And you bow, but you never take your head down, because remember, the only difference that we do in the theater is that everyone wants to still see your face. And plus, you're not scrubbing the floor, you're saying thank you to whoever is in front of you. For guys, it's slightly different. You step into the side like we did in our balances, and you say thank you. And there is a little relaxed first position, or a bevel, not a bevel, but slightly relaxed first position that you take to one side to the other, thanking the teacher and the pianist that has been in the class with you. And obviously it is a thank to yourself for all the hard work that you've done. Usually it's never set apart from these last two things that we do, which is the bow. So what I want you to experience right now is a follow along, which you will find in every class that you will go and that you'll find. The reverence is always following along the teacher that tells you what to do in that moment, in that inspiration of the moment. And the only thing when he says bow to the pianist and bow to the teacher, that's what happens, and you know what to do. All right, shall we try it? Let's reverence. Remember to download the guide and calendar to keep track of your progress and path. It's down in the description box below. You just need to click on the link and download it. Plus remember, if this is the very first time that you get around here, the playlist is going to be linked up there, so you can start from scratch from the very first exercise that we did. Let's do it. Prepare for your reverence. And we go, barre, and open, and down, 2/5, down again, other leg in front, and open, and up, come down, and we take side stretch, border bra, goes other way, tendu, change, same arm, change, step and bow, thank you. Every end of a series is the beginning of something even more beautiful. You got so far and you got to practice a whole ballet class. Aren't you proud of yourself? So I've got a next challenge for you. Why don't you try, with all the knowledge that you've gathered so far, this ballet class right here is going to make you feel absolutely incredible. And again, beautifully done.